Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching Digitwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Mission Control to see all open windows on Mac. So Mission Control gives you a complete overview of windows and desktop space currently available on Mac. Instead of moving overlapping windows one by one, Mission Control temporarily separate them across the screen so that you can quickly access and find the window you need. Your additional desktop space, full screen app and split view workspace also appear in the spacebar at the top. Mission Control does not close or permanently move any of your window. It simply gives you a cleaner view of your workspace. So to use Mission Control, first make sure you have a few apps window open on your Mac, and now press the Mission Control key on your keyboard, which normally has an icon showing multiple windows, and the key is F3 key. As you can see, as soon as I click that key, Mission Control is instantly enabled. And you can also press Control plus the up arrow keys together, and when Mission Control open, all available window on the current desktop will spread across the screen, and clicking any window will bring back it to the front. And to open another desktop space, click its thumbnail at the top of the screen, and when using trackpad, you can also swipe up using 3 fingers to enter Mission Control and swiping down using 3 fingers to leave it. And if in your trackpad this gesture not working, let me show you how you can enable it. First, you have to click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and then go to Trackpad. And here switch to More Gestures, and then you can see a option called Mission Control. Click on the drop down menu right to it and you will see 3 different options. Off, swipe up with 3 fingers, and swipe up with 4 fingers. Choose the gesture you prefer, and that's it. From now on, whenever you want to go to Mission Control, all you just need to swipe up with 3 fingers or 4 fingers depending on what you have selected here. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.